Get ready for a simmering sensation as we dive into KravePot of Suntree, the newest hot pot hotspot in town. Join us on a steamy culinary journey that promises to warm your heart and tantalize your taste buds. Are you ready to plunge into a world of flavors and spices? Let's go! Today, we are just a quick 15-minute drive from Port Canaveral. Our flavor-filled quest brings us to KravePot of Suntree, where every visit is more than just a meal, it's an experience. Here at KravePot, it's all about creating your own feast. With an array of broth bases, premium meats, fresh vegetables, and delectable sauces, the combinations are endless. From spicy to subtle, every simmering pot here tells a story. Watch as we dive into creating our own personalized hot pot. From broth selection to the final touches of sauces, it's a hands-on dining adventure that you'll crave again and again. What sets KravePot apart isn't just the exquisite food, it's the sense of community and a shared joy. Here, every meal is an opportunity to connect, share, and indulge in the warmth of good company and great flavors. Our delicious odyssey at KravePot of Suntree has been nothing short of spectacular. From the vibrant flavors to the communal spirit, it's a dining experience that invites you to savor every moment. Thank you for joining us on this delectable adventure. Loved this steamy culinary journey? Hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more delicious adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep savoring, and let your taste buds lead the way.